I'm Kelly Senier, and I'm going to show you how to make the ultimate Christmas tree cupcakes. I baked my chocolate cupcakes, and while those are cooling, I'm going to work on the cream cheese frosting. Now, to make sure that your cream cheese frosting is silky smooth, you want to focus on 3 pro tips. First, make sure your cream cheese and your butter are at room temperature. Second, start by beating just the cream cheese by itself. Scrape down the sides of the bowl as needed, just using a spatula, and then add your butter. Next up, we're going to add the vanilla extract. And then the third pro tip, you want to make sure that you sift the powdered sugar before you add it to the bowl so you can get rid of any lumps. Now I'm going to add the sifted powdered sugar to my stand mixer bowl and mix until it's smooth and creamy. Don't hesitate to stop the mixer and scrape down the sides of the bowl as needed. So smooth, so creamy. Now we can set this aside and work on our Christmas tree cupcake toppers. Now it's time to melt our candy melts. Here's my secret to making sure that these candy melts are smooth enough to pipe. Add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil per 1 cup of candy melts. This will make it extra smooth. Now I'm going to pour the candy melts into a sealable plastic bag, which I've put into a cup here so that I have 2 hands for pouring. It's time to lay out our pretzel sticks. So I'm just going to space these about 2 inches apart, giving myself enough space at the top of the baking sheet to pipe our Christmas trees. Now I'm going to assemble our cupcakes, starting with our cream cheese frosting. I'll add a small layer to the top of our cupcake. Now it's time for a little shredded coconut snow. And our grand finale, our Christmas tree cupcake toppers. For the full recipe and more pro tips, check out justataste.com.